So the first thing we are going to do is to generate the images, then we use the images to generate the video. So the prompt I used in generating both the images and both the video is in this video. You can check the description. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this page where you see the whole video prompt and the whole image prompt. The next thing you're going to do is to copy each of those image prompts, take it to Wix, like what you are seeing on your screen right now. Then you log in or you sign up. You click on browse gallery, cancel of that, we don't need it. Then you click on enter. It's going to bring a fresh page for you.
So sometimes I know that we want to make our cartoon character look a certain way. So what I do is I go to Pinterest and I search for cartoon characters. Just scroll up and look for the one I want. So we'll be using this one in this case. So what I do is just download it and take it back to Wix. Then at the subject side, you click on the upload image and we select the image we just downloaded and let it finish uploading. You can see it showing analyzing, so just allow it to finish uploading. So it has finished uploading now, and we go back and remember the first prompt we copied. We paste it in and click on generate. That's the arrow, small arrow you are seeing below, and this is the image it generated for us. So if you notice, the images are looking brown and I don't like it personally. So what I do is I remove out the cinematic lightning and I add something just to make the image look more better, which is maintain the shape and the figure of the image below, or of the image attached below. And I click on generate and this is the image it gave us. And I think I prefer the first one than the second one. So since I'll be using the first image, I am going to download it, then click on add image. And just like we did before, subject, upload image, and upload the image we just downloaded. So I'm going to remove the first prompt. You can just select one and remove it. Then copy the second prompt, go back to Wix, paste it there, and it will generate the second image. I also do the same thing for the third image. You just copy the prompt, paste it on Wix, and it will generate the third image as well. So in the case where the image is not consistent, probably the background is not the same thing with the image 1 or image 2. What you can just do is to download, like the image 3 here is not consistent. So we're going to download image 2, and the same way we did before, add image, you upload the image 2, and then when you finish uploading the image 2, you use the image 2 to generate the image 3. We can see that this is now looking like image 1 and image 2, but we need a close-up image, especially when you are doing cooking scenes. So I think I will just be using this image 3. Yes, I'm going to be working with this image 3. So we'll just continue generating images. You go back. So you go back to your prompt, you copy the image. I think this is image 4. You paste it on Wix, you generate the image. So this is literally all the images we want to generate under, making egg. The first thing we are doing is to make egg. So this is all the images we generated for frying egg. Yes, for making egg. So the next thing is pancake making. So just like the first images we generated, we'll come back. We're going to copy the prompt for pancake, then go back to Wix, paste it, and to get consistent image, what you just need to do is the first image you generated under the pancake making, you just download it, you add it back, and you generate other images. And if you notice something, the second image, which you have to stir the pancake mix, she was stirring it with a stick, and me and you know that you're not supposed to stir it with a stick. So what I just did is to change it to a whisker. Then it changed, and yes, I think I love what this is giving. So you just keep generating images. So you know how you make aesthetic vlog, you show close-up images of lighting the stove and all of that. This is literally what we are generating. Just keep doing it. And guys, just imagine this pancake part where you have to pour the pancake mix inside the pan. Just imagine what it gave me, and obviously that is not what we want. So what I just did is the same way I did the first one. To Pinterest, I looked for a pancake tutorial, like a pancake video. I'm just going to look for the slip I need. I'm going to screenshot it, take it back to Wix, upload it, like click on add image, upload it,
So I'm going to paste the prompt of that same scene, and when I paste the prompt of that same scene, this is exactly what it gave us, and this is exactly what we want. You can see how nice and how good this is giving. So we keep generating our images. You're going to do the same thing for the noodles making, and this is the last prompt. The last prompt is like the daily life, brushing of teeth, packing bag, leaving the house, groceries, those daily things you do, like a normal daily routine that you had in your vlog or that you vlog about. It's not necessary you follow everything in the prompt that I gave you. You can just do what you want. Do the things that you know that, okay, this thing I want to make a cartoon character of it, or this thing I do it to my vlog and I want to make a cartoon character that can imitate me while doing it. Just like the way we did the other images. You just copy the prompts, you go back to Wix, you paste it, generate your images. If you want your image to be consistent, what you just simply have to do is you download the initial, maybe your first image, you upload it back to Wix, then you use that image to generate the remaining image. This is literally all the images that we've generated so far. This is a slideshow of everything. So the next thing is to generate the videos. So we'll be using Grok AI, and I will be leaving a link. This is a tutorial on how to set up your Grok account, and Grok is going to be giving you a 3 days free trial. So you'll be able to generate as many videos as you want. You can generate, I think, up to 50 or 100 videos a day, even more. Because what they are going to show you is you're welcome and you can generate unlimited. So I don't think there's even a particular amount of video you can generate. You can just keep generating and generating. So what I'm just going to advise today is that you generate as many videos as you want during that trial period. If you want as many cartoon characters, just generate as many videos as you want. So now we'll have to go back to the prompts. We scroll down to the video part, then to the video prompt part. We copy each of the prompts, just like we did for the images. Copy each of the prompts, take it to Grok, then look for the images that the prompt is talking about. Then you paste the prompt together with the image and you generate. You just keep doing that. You can always alter your prompt. It does not have to be the same thing with the prompts I gave you. So if you want a cartoon character to be in a particular way, just change some words there and regenerate. And since you are using the Super Grok, you have unlimited generation. So you have the advantage to generate as many times as you can. Just keep generating it. If you don't like it, you regenerate. So this is literally all the videos that we want to use and all the videos we've generated so far. So let me just show you a slideshow of everything. So guys, now that we are done generating all the videos, the last thing I will be teaching in this tutorial is how to edit it. If you don't edit it well, it's going to be looking weird because you're doing something else and your cartoon character is doing the opposite of what you are doing. Let's say for instance, you are brushing your teeth. What you just have to do is just edit just a small part. The sleep that you're adding for the cartoon character can just be a 2-second sleep. So what you just have to do is just edit it, cuts the parts you need. Guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about here. So I just quickly edited it, like my own particular video. I just edited it so you can see what I'm trying to say. You need keep the parts you need and just delete the parts that you don't need. So guys, now that we are done with the video, I just made a little compilation, or should I just say little vlog, just like what you saw at the beginning of the video. This is how I actually made it. So guys, you can just see the way I splitted it while editing it. So that's just literally what you have to do. So we are done with today's video, but if you want me to make a tutorial on how to make a long form vlog, like a long form, maybe a 15 minute or a 20 minute vlog with only cartoon characters, you can just comment vlog in the comment section. As many vlog comments as I get, I'll definitely make a video of that. I've seen some channels on YouTube that make that. I think they make it like a faceless channel where a particular creator is the one behind it. They make it, and yes, you get paid for it. If you can check their video, you can see that the super thanks is on, meaning that their channel is monetized. So you can just comment vlog in the comment section, and I hope at the end of this video you'll be able to generate your own prompt, generate your images, and your video, then edit it as well. If you have any question or anything that doesn't seem clear, you can just ask in the comment section and I'll definitely answer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.